the length of a pendulum is equal to the half of the radius of earth. Find its time period. Okay, so find its time period. Okay, the length of the pendulum is equal to the half of the radius of earth. Find its time period. Okay, now using time period t is equal to 2 pi r divided by g whole of 1 plus r by l. Okay, r by l. So using this formula, time period equal to 2 pi r divided g whole of 1 plus r by l over root. But here so length of pendulum, L is the length of pendulum, R is the radius, G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. But here length of the pendulum is equal to half of the radius, that means R by 2. Now substitute the value of L. So time period T is equal to 2 pi R divided by G times 1 plus R. The value of L is R by 2 over root. So now time period equal to 2 pi R by G divided by, so R will cancel, so that is 1 plus 2 whole root. So time period equal to 2 pi r by g root divided by root 3. Therefore the time period equal to 2 pi r by g root divided by root 3. Okay.